Time was once upon a myth, a figment of the imagination, not moving backwards or forwards, just a constant that gets us up in the morning and puts us to sleep at night. That was until the doctor came along and changed life for the better. But all good things come to an end, and as you will find out, time waits for no one. The TARDIS flew off into the stars, never to be seen again. She knew what was coming, and it was too much for her to bear.
My wounds aren't healing. Not like they usually do. Is it the end? But this moment hasn't been prepared for. Come on. Come on! Come on, just regenerate!
The universe was not ready for her to die. Not yet, at least, anyway. The principles of her past pain wrapping around her in what might be her final moments. Maybe this is what Rose meant all those years ago. Maybe the darkness has come.
Ew, Doctor! Doctor!
Doctor!
Doctor!
Doctor! Doctor! Doctor!
Doctor? Doctor!
Doctor? Doctor?
Doctor!
Doctor?
Doctor, wake up!
Wake up, Doctor! Wake up!
Doctor? Doctor?
Doctor! 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 Doctor!
Doctor! Doctor! Oi, Doctor! Doctor! Doctor!
Doctor? Doctor?
Doctor! Doctor!
Doctor! Doctor!
Doctor! Doctor!
Doctor! Doctor!
Doctor! Wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up.
This isn't right. This really isn't right. I heard all those voices, but they're all dead. Lost for the time that waits for no one. No one except me. What is this place? Still smells like Earth. Can't have gone too far. There's birds. Bloody old birds. Okay, this is a new one. Feeling of emptiness on my right hand side. humans live like this? Their primary organ, and they don't even have a backup? Stupid. I have a set number of lives. I've already used my backup at the Town of Christmas. I couldn't lie to anyone there. I mustn't lie to myself now. I still never worked out how I got into this body. Did I miscalculate? -1. But that defies the laws of time of which my people control. Ah! This impossible life of mine. Blimey, I'm taking a leaf out of Clara's book. Becoming the impossible girl. Am I even still a girl? I sound like one. One thing that's still impossible is my ability to turn ginger. The pink, however, that's a new one. Since when am I wearing new clothes? I haven't regenerated like this since I was a 500-year-old recorder enthusiast. Ah, my younger years. Ah! I'm still dying though. Something or someone is tying me down. Is it the Time Lords? No, they're all perished in this time. Time running out? No, it can't be. The end of the world? No, tricks from the master. No, it can't be. Aha! A fixed point in time! Have I misunderstood my own history? My own heritage? To be fair, it wouldn't be the first time, especially with the master's lives as a timeless child. However, it's possible to have more than 12 regenerations per life cycle. This is something that I've always been fearful of, but not for myself. I've had many friends, companions and lovers, all dead, leaving just me. The universe can rest easy now. No more war, no more hatred, no more anger, no more. My song is ending, you say? The last time this happened, I had vanity issues. I've lived the greatest life, but nothing ever lasts. We're all stories in the end. And as time continues, everything that I was will be gone. The illusion of time has caught up with me at last.
Across time and space, the silence had fallen. Friends and foes, dead, alive, or in between, took a final bow, salute, prayer, respect, and moment to the one person that they knew would always be in their hearts. And for the rest of the time, the universe was at peace.